how to log in into York University Eclass account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, you have to open up any web browser that you prefer. And on the search URL, type in York University Login eClass. Then hit enter on your keyboard. That'll take you to this interface. Now head over to the first link on your interface that says eClass York University Learning Management System. Click on that. Then you'll land on this interface. Again, on this interface at your right hand side, there is a button as Go to eClass. Click on that. That will redirect you into login page. So first of all, enter your valid username under this empty text box next to username. Make sure you enter your valid username. Under that, enter your correct password. After you do that, you can simply click on this login button to get logged in into your account. Or in case you forgot your username or password, there is a link according to your account type you have. Select any one and that will help you out to recover your account. Or if you are new to and you want to log in or sign up, click on this option that says new university sign up, or if you are employee, you can go with employee or faculty and staff and alumni. And that's how you can log in into York University eClass. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you're new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.